Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm doing a lookbook for y'all and I'm so excited because I always like to share with y'all like my outfit ideas and stuff, so I'm definitely going to be doing more videos like this. But today's a big day because we about to get into it. First of all, let's get into the install. Loving it. Hair by me, of course. I did like a swoop. This is my second install with this hair, and let me turn so y'all can see. My nails are done now, y'all, so I don't gotta worry about nothing. My last video, I was being a little ghetto. My nails wasn't done, but it's okay. And make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up before we get started. So I'm gonna be showing y'all just different outfits that I put together, just to show y'all a quick little insight of how, like, just how I put things together and like what I prefer to wear and how I prefer to wear things. So let's get right into it and stay tuned. Let's get into the details of each outfit. For the first outfit, I got this shirt from, it's not even a shirt. This ain't even a shirt. This is a bandana that I got from Shein. Y'all know I love that website. I got this from Shein and it's a regular bandana. I was gonna originally use it on my head, like as a head bandana. I don't know if y'all could see the print on it. So pretty. I was gonna use it as a headscarf, but I end up using it as a top, and it fits really good and it's so comfortable and it's very sturdy. So go get y'all one of these. And the jeans that I have on, I got from Shein as well. I'm not sure if I had these in my last haul. No, I didn't have them in my haul. And they're very stretchy, like very stretchy. They're actually kind of big on me, but they fit well, and like the way I wore them, it actually worked out pretty good in that outfit. So for the second outfit, this is like a dress. It's like a dress and it has some cute little slits on the side. I actually wear this for winter, but you also could wear this for like summer. It really doesn't matter. The way I put it together though, I just put it together for like a simple outfit for the day. You never know if you run into the mall. Something simple just to throw on with some sneakers. You could also wear it with heels if you wanted to. Like, I can wear this however I want to. It's very thick and I got it from Ross, and it was really cheap. But I got it from Ross and it's great fabric. And this is a two-piece set. For the third one, this is a two-piece set that I also got from Shein. It has like the little scrunchies on the bottom, and these are the shorts. I actually did not buy this as a two-piece set though. I bought it separately. So when I was buying the shirt, I saw the shorts in the suggestions and I wanted to make it a two-piece. So that's the shorts and then the shirt. And I love how it's like one shoulder. Like, I just love how that looks. I pieced it with the black accessories because the last time I wore it, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram below, but if you add me on Instagram, you will see how I wore it the first time. And I had like a cute little bob, and it was really cute. So I just wanted to switch it up for the look I was doing for this video, just to show y'all there's different ways you can wear things. So that was cute too. So for the fourth outfit, which is like a pink kind of see-through two-piece. So originally I was supposed to wear this underneath it, but I clipped it over it. Like, you know that look that people be doing? So yeah, I was like, that's cute, that's a look. I got this from Forever 21. I ordered this, oh, I'm lying. I ordered this from FashionNova. I got this from FashionNova and it's very comfortable. Y'all know FashionNova be having great quality items, so that was cute. And let's see, that was 4. Oh, I have this white two-piece set that I also got in purple. These are shorts, and then, you know, like the biker shorts. And then I got the white shirt to go with it. Well, it was a set. It's very great quality. You know, you got to be careful because it's white. But I actually wanted white because I feel like you could do anything with white. The shirt is like a perfect size. I actually tied it in the front. And I paired it with my Vans and a hat that had the same orange like that was in my Vans. So yeah, that was cute. I got that from Shein, and I also ordered it in a purple color too. And if you follow me on Instagram, once again, I wore the purple one and I posted those pictures on my Instagram. So that was 5. So this one, 6. This is like an oversized tee that I also got from Shein. It's really big. It's bigger than I expected it to be in the front. It's actually really, really big in the front. But I feel like I would have to tie it in the back or maybe at the bottom or something to get that look that I actually want to go for. But for the most part, it's very great material. It's bigger than I expected, like I said. I just don't like how big the sleeves are, but it's still a look and it's still cute, and the colors in it are like so vibrant, like so cute. I've seen a few people with this shirt actually, and they be ripping them. It be real cute. Ciao. So yeah, I got this shirt, oversized shirt from Shein as well. And last but not least, I got this what is this called? A corset. And I love how it looks on me. Like, look at how that looks. So cute. The girls is giving. The girls are sitting, okay? But I got this from FashionNova a while ago. I think I got it on sale. I get most of my stuff from FashionNova on sale. Like, anywhere I go, like, I look for a sale because all good products eventually go on sale, okay, ladies? Like, you don't have to buy a great product for, you know, expensive prices. Like, everything that looks good is eventually gonna go on sale. So I got this from FashionNova. And I got these sparkling tights from Shein, and I actually posted these tights in my last try on haul, and I'm finally wearing them, and they're so cute. And I also got these shorts from Shein as well, and they're kind of big on me, but because I'm wearing the corset over it, you can't really tell, so it looks really good. But they have like rips in them in the front, and they have rips in the back, like at the bottom. But you know, my booty ain't too big, so it doesn't look too crazy and out there. Okay, so that concludes the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a nice comment. Let me know what you guys want to see more from me. Don't forget to add all my socials. Yeah.